Welcome to SAT Climb. Read this. Sprinting for the bus, my backpack strap snapped. Quick question. Who was sprinting? Grammatically, the backpack strap. That's a misplaced modifier, and the digital SAT tests it constantly because the wrong versions sound completely fine out loud. Here's the structure. A describing phrase opens the sentence, then a comma, then the main clause. The rule is simple and ruthless. That opening phrase describes the first noun after the comma, whatever that noun is. Your brain politely fills in the person who makes sense. The SAT is betting on exactly that reflex. The method on a real one. Hoping to conserve energy, the lights were turned off by the manager. Step 1, ask who or what the phrase describes. Who hopes? The manager. Step 2, look at the first noun after the comma. The lights. Lights can't hope. The sentence is wrong even though it sounds normal. Step 3, fix it by putting the doer right after the comma. Hoping to conserve energy, the manager turned off the lights. The doer isn't buried at the end anymore. It's exactly where the phrase points. One more layer, this isn't just about openers. The waiter served cookies to the children wrapped in foil. As written, wrapped in foil sits next to the children. Foil-wrapped children. A modifier grabs whatever it's next to, so move it. The waiter served cookies wrapped in foil to the children. Now it touches cookies, which is what it describes. Placement is the whole game, next to the right noun or wrong. Your turn, determined to finish her lab report blank. 4 choices. The library stayed open late for Maya. Maya stayed at the library until it closed. It took Maya all night to finish. Or the deadline kept Maya at the library. Who is determined? Maya. So Maya must be the first word after the comma. Only one choice does that. Be the others hand the determination to a library and empty it or a deadline. Notice every wrong choice still mentions Maya. That's the bait. Three traps. 1, trusting your ear. Your brain autocorrects the meaning, so wrong choices sound fine. Test the structure, not the vibe. 2, accepting the doer somewhere later in the sentence. By the manager at the end doesn't save it. The doer must be the first noun after the comma. 3, only checking openers. Mid-sentence phrases attach to their nearest neighbor too. Ask who the phrase describes, then check what it's touching. Modifier placement solved. Ask who or what the phrase describes, then make sure that noun is the very next thing you read. Start practicing free at satclimb.com. Your SAT is closer than you think.